to Why Guys Reviews, and today we're going to be turning this van into an Elk Mobile. Right now we are cleaning the van and we're taking off the stripes. And we're going to paint this whole thing yellow. It's going to be sick. And then we're going to put like black stripes and it's going to be awesome. And guess what, camera? Scott's going ham. As you can see. I was really gonna break the window.
Hello, this is day 2, and we're going to take the pinstripes off today. So the sides of the van were all cleaned and washed with soap and water, and now we're going to take the pinstripes off. There's a whole lot of pinstripes on there, so so what we did is we actually ordered a tool from Amazon to attach to our power drill and take the pinstripes off. We'll take a look and see how well it works. Okay, it seems to be working pretty well, even in the hands of someone who's not very good with tools. And I'm really glad we got the mask because it's making a lot of dust and your aim is really bad.
My arms.
Hey, welcome back again, everybody, to day 3 of making the Elk Mobile. Today, let's see, well, at this point to review, we've washed the van, we took the vinyl pinstripes off, and then we lightly sanded it, and now what we're doing is we're taping off all the parts we don't want any paint to get on. So, all this prep work hopefully should make the final product that much better. So what we're doing, like I said, we're taping this all off. And it's going to take a while. It's not very fun, so we're certainly not going to videotape it all, but we'll give you an update here in a little bit. See ya! We're going to go ahead and start painting now. We bought 1 gallon of safety yellow Rustoleum paint in the oil base, and we first tried it with mineral spirits to kind of dilute it a bit, but it was just way too runny. And so for the second and third coat, we just go ahead and use it straight. It seemed to work a lot better. Okay, welcome back. All right, we got our first coat done, and it clearly needs more, multiple coats, but I don't think it looks too bad right now. It's actually looking pretty good, I think. It's very yellow, as you can clearly see. Your hand's very yellow, so if you're ever going to do this, which I can't imagine anybody would, but if you decide to do something like this, I would get like latex gloves or something, because this is kind of a pain, especially when you want to go into the house and get something to drink or eat something, and you're covered with paint. It's not very fun. So anyways, we're going to do another coat, and get back to you and get an update with you in a little bit. So, see ya! Hey everybody, we're back. Here's a new update. We got the third coat of paint on, and we decided to go with a little bit of black on the like a two-tone on the bottom. Now we're definitely going to need to do some touch-up, definitely going to need to finish the roof, but it's what I'm going to do is I'm going to let it dry overnight and then take a look at it tomorrow and see what we need to touch up. One of the things I learned is that it's not a good idea to do this right after you mow the yard, because we got a lot of grass stuck to it, and we also learned that bugs love flying on your wet paint. So there's a whole lot of bugs that are like new additions to this van. So, but we'll see what we can do. Maybe we can buff some of them out, maybe sand a little bit of out, and do some touch-up work. Okay, we're going to take a look at Why Guy's reaction. I'm going to go get him.
Oh, that looks awesome! That's awesome! That looks so clean.
You blend in with it.
I love it.
You see I painted the bottom too in black.
Yeah, it's black. I love it.
You like that?
That's cool.
So what do you think? Why's up, why's down?
That's why's up a million.
All right. Okay, well, it's the next day, and want to take a look at it. I think it's looking pretty good. We definitely have some touch-ups to do where the black and the yellow touch. You got to clean up some windows. Still need to finish the roof. You can see that the quality of it is okay. I mean, it's not great as you get close. And the other big thing is we got a lot of bugs stuck to it, which kind of stinks, but what are you going to do? I have no way to be able to do this inside. So you take the good with the bad. And I'm thinking it looks pretty good. I mean, compared to what it looked like before, and compared to what I actually thought it was going to look like, I thought it was going to be a disaster. So I'm actually pretty pleased. And we got some touch-up work to do. We'll do that, and then we'll get back to you and give you another update. See ya! Okay, we're done with the first phase now, so I think it's looking pretty good. In the comments, what I need is for you guys to give me some ideas of how to decorate the Elk Mobile. So let me know. Tell us in the comments below. See ya!